guys and girls, it's JD Cap 26, and we've got this Dracula's daughter here. I'm going to just take apart here the supports. Some of these supports we have to cut, like right there. We're going to cut that. I'm going to cut that right there. Okay. Gotta make sure you cut all the way through. Pull that off like that. Do this one again. And I want to use the pliers here for this. Okay. Get some back here. And try to do her hands really gently. Okay. Like that. And there she is. Okay. I'm going to put this to the side. And I'm going to apply some color to this. Put these tools over here. So, let's get out that. Get out this. And we got a print going in the background. Put some white in there. Grab a brush. Make sure your brush is not stiff. And this is going to be white right here. You may have to only do one side, you know. This is a Wicked Color acrylic. Just a plain white. It's not glossy. Inside here is black, so up top here is white. I'm going for a photo that I made of it. Like I said, one side is going to be white, and the other side is going to be black. I'm going to show this on YouTube on Shorts, so you will see it completed there. But I want to show you some painting. I know some of you really like to see the painting part. Painting is very relaxing, by the way, guys. It really is. Even if you're just painting a wall. can hold it from the back, so we can actually do the front here. And this is all white here. In the middle, it's a black color. This is one of my own designs, by the way, guys. So you will find this on this print on Maker World. I'll try to put the link in the description, like I always do. I didn't have white filament to print this in, or a gray filament to print it in. I had to print it in a red. So my apologies for that. This is actually part of her hood, so the hood is white too. Inside around the face is black though. Actually, her cape in the back is black, so that's got to dry, and I got to do that black. I'm going by a photo that I have on the side here. It's only a black and white photo, but it's good enough, you know. Right here, this is black, the edge is black. This in here is white. That, oh, in here is black, so I'm gonna have to do that black. Okay, so let's stop for now and let that dry. I appreciate you watching. Please hype the video. Please give the thumbs up to the video. Share the video if you'd like, please. I have many videos on my channel. I also have a cooking channel with a funny puppet, and you'll find that on the sideline of the cooking channel. JD Cap, Cooking with JD Cap. I appreciate you being here. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.